Hello students, today we are going to solve numerical of gradually varied flow. Question is given as find the rate of change of depth of water in a rectangular channel of 10 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep when the water is flowing with a velocity of 1 meter per second. The flow of water through the channel of bed slope is 1 in 4000 is regulated in such a way that energy line is having a slope of 0.00004. Now we have to solve this question. First we will write the given quantities as width of channel B will be equals to 10 meter, depth of channel H will be equals to 3 meter, velocity of flow V will be equals to 1 meter per second, bed slope IB will be equals to 1 by 4000. On solving this we will have 0.00025 and slope of energy line IE will be equals to 0.00004. Let the rate of change of depth of water will be equals to dH upon dx. So dH upon dx will be equals to IB minus IE upon 1 minus V square upon GH. On putting the value in this equation, we will have dH upon dx equals to 0.00025 minus 0.00004 upon 1 minus 1 into 1 upon 9.81 into 3. On solving this, we will have dH upon dx will be equals to 0.000217. That will be the complete solution of this question. Thank you very much, students.